gotta get ready. Oh no.
Welcome back to Qadash Farm. This is Big John. And today's video, me and the wife are attacking a burn pile that's in the front of our pasture. So stay tuned as we attack the weeds, the overgrown baby trees, and just do some weed eating to make this look better. Thanks for clicking on this video. Stay tuned. So before we can weed eat this grass, my wife took the loppers and went and got some of the thicker weeds out of the way so they would not tear up the weed eater string. Now it's my turn. You know, like I said in the prior videos, you need a weed eater to just do some detailed work around your property. I believe the last time that I weed eated this burn pile was probably last November, and as you can see, the weeds are high, the grass is high, and there's even small trees growing out of this area. I have not had a chance to light the fire and burn it down like I would like to, because there's a fallen tree here, and I've been trying to just collect different brush from around the property to use it as an accelerant around this tree. I've been trying to burn the tree out, just to put it point blank, but I mean, it is just a 5-year headache that we are going to get rid of one day, so stay tuned for that video. But as you can see, it took me maybe 20-30 minutes to really get all the grass around it so I could get close enough to get some of the pokeweed and definitely to get closer to that tree that is growing out of the bottom of the fallen tree. Go figure. And just like any of the other days that we're working out in the pasture, we're trying to beat the rain. My goal was to clean up this burn pile area, weed eat and cut the creek area, and then move on and weed eat the fence line across the front of my property. That was my intentions. But after we completed this burn pile area, I went and got the lawnmower. Listen up, fam. The lawnmower would not run. The motor would not run. So we ended up doing the fence area. So stay tuned for that video. Now what you're seeing me do now is I got the mini cordless chainsaw out, and I am cutting down what is called pokeweed. When we looked at this stuff, it was about an inch and a half to 2 inches around. Very thick stalk. Didn't know what it was. I'm out here with no sleeves on, just cutting away, picking up the piles, carrying it on my arms, and come to find out when we went in the house to look up exactly what it was, come to find out that it is a very toxic weed. From the stalk to the stems, the leaves, the berries, everything on it is toxic, and it should be handled with care, right? So don't you worry. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna let them dry out, and I'm gonna put some fire to these weeds, these poke weeds, to this down tree, to all this grass and everything that came out of this pile. I am going to burn it one day. So don't you fret. And finally, you see me getting rid of this tree, suckling, sapling, baby tree, whatever it is growing out of this fallen tree trunk. This was the eyesore my wife wanted me to get rid of, and I finally got a chance to get to it, and I'm glad that I did. We got this burn pile cleaned up. The wife is happy. Hey, by the way, I really appreciate my wife getting out here, getting her hands dirty, helping me get these weeds up so that I can cut the grass, get close enough to the pokeweed in the tree to clean this burn pile up. I really thank the Most High for my partner in life, my beautiful and wonderful wife. I couldn't accomplish the things that I do without her help. So stay tuned to the next video.
Oh, you gotta get ready.